Hi, it is Alex the editor here, and today I'm gonna be watching Cooper's Project, otherwise known as Attack of the Birds. Now, if you haven't seen this video, I highly suggest you, like, yeah, I knew what I was gonna say, but yeah, now, before I get to this video, I wanted to say that I made a project of my very own doing the American crocodile. I haven't made like a video of it at all yet, but once I come up with something, then maybe I will. So, yeah, once I do make a video, I'll post it on YouTube for everyone to see. So, yeah, without further ado, let's start the video. Okay. Cooper and Sam.
That big bird. Oh, it's coming.
I can tell that that's Photoshop. I'm sorry, but that part with Sam doing that thing just got me laughing. But yeah, obviously it says PixArt, so it's possibly photoshopped. Hopped from somewhere. Yeah, that thing looked like a hawk. What the? What? Wait. Go back. See that face? Cooper, you look like the boy from Home Alone. Oh. Oh. See that? See that face? Hey, oh, boy, you looking like Kevin McAllister from Home Alone. What? 2 minutes later.
No, Sam. No, the bird.
Uh-oh. It's going after him now. It's going after him. What kind of walk is that? Oh, no. Oh. I'm sorry, but that got me cracked up. That has got me cracked up. That cracked up. It cracked me up, kinda. Running away from the hawk. But then, I don't know if it was a success or failure. Either way, I don't know how it went. Go. Sam, still idle? Yes. Again? While Cooper's in the same room? Alright, here we go. They're still that way. Okay. Here comes Mr. Schweiger, ready to bring the two back to life. Yeah! They have awakened. Are you trying to... Oh yeah, I know what you're trying to do now. You're trying to heal them. Yeah, obviously that was kind of some video. I gotta admit, it was some video. But yeah, I haven't done a reaction video in like ever on this channel. But yeah, I think this one might possibly be my first one. And Rachel, Cooper, Sam, Brock, Brady, and Jimmy and Schweiger, if you see this video, then please, and I beg of you, please do not delete it. Because I just kind of want to become a content creator. And if you do this, man, oh man, it'll just ruin me. I don't want that to happen. And I suggest you please don't do this. So yeah, that'll be it. So I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you all later. Bye.